दोस्तों मैं पुष्पेंद्र कुमार आप सभी का अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लाया हूं 100 मोर क्विक पॉइंट्स इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर। दोस्तों इस वीडियो में मैंने 100 और क्विक पॉइंट्स कलेक्ट किए हैं। दोस्तों अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है तो आप पार्ट 1 देखिए, उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। और दोस्तों आप इस वीडियो की और इससे पहली वाली वीडियो की अगर आप PDF प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं तो हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से जुड़िए जिसका नाम है इंग्लिश लिटरेचर हेल्पर्स। चलिए दोस्तों वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस: 12th नाइट ओपन्स विद द स्पीच ऑफ ड्यूक। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज: कुबला खान ऑफ कॉलरिज इज एन ओपियम ड्रीम। Xanadu is a place in this poem. Next point is: Shelley used Tadjarima stanza form in his famous poem Ode to the West Wind. Next point is: the phrase pathetic fallacy is coined by John Ruskin. Another point is: 5 soliloquies are spoken by Hamlet in the play Hamlet. And friends, you should remember Ophelia is the beloved of Hamlet in this play. Next point is: the best lack all conviction, while the worst are full of passionate intensity. These lines are from The Second Coming by W.B. Yeats. Next point is: sensuousness is the most notable characteristic of Keats' poetry. Another point is: optimism is the keynote of Browning's philosophy of life. Next point is: the title of Carlyle's Sartor Resarter means tailor retailered. Next point is: Epicedian is composed by P.B. Shelley. The better part of valor is discretion. Discretion occurs in Shakespeare's Henry IV Part 1. Next point is: Graham Greene used a pseudonym Michael Anglo Titchmarsh for much of his early work. Another point is: Pride and Prejudice was originally a youthful work entitled First Impressions. Another point is: there is a special providence in the fall of a sparrow. The line given above occurs in Hamlet. Next point is: Sir John Falstaff is one of Shakespeare's greatest comic figures. The characters appears both in Henry IV Part 1 and The Merry Wives of Windsor. Next point is: Samuel Pepys began his diary in New Year's Day 1660 and wrote till 1669. Next point is: Blake said that Milton was of the devil's party without knowing it. Next point is: women's education and rights is the theme of Tennyson's poem The Princess. Next point is: Oedipus complex and Electra complex are the term used by Carl Jung. Next point is: D.H. Lawrence wrote, my great religion is a belief in the blood, the flesh as being wiser than the intellect. Again I'm repeating this. D.H. Lawrence wrote, my own great religion is a belief in the blood, the flesh as being wiser than the intellect. Next point is: Shakespeare makes fun of the Puritans in his play Twelfth Night. Next point is: the rarer action is in virtue that in vengeance. This line occurs in The Tempest. Heaven lies about us in our infancy. This line occurs in the poem Immortality. Another point is: Ode by Wordsworth. Next point is: Wordsworth calls himself a worshipper of nature in his poem Tintern Abbey. Direct or epic method of narration has been employed by Dickens in his novel Great Expectations. Next point is: Coleridge said Keats was a Greek. Another point is: D.G. Rossetti was a true literary descendant of Keats. Next point is: Browning's famous poem Rabbi Ben Ezra is included in Dramatis Personae. Browning has used Italian styles in his poetry. Another point is: Sanderson is the unfinished novel by Jane Austen. Miss Havisham was arrogant in Great Expectation and she remained a spinster throughout her life. Spinster means the one who do not marry. Another point is: the Romantic revival in English poetry was influenced by the French Revolution. Oh, you are sick of self-love. Malvolio is referred to in these words in Twelfth Night. Next point is: Hamlet is a passionate lover and his beloved name is Ophelia. Next point is: Miranda exclaims brave new world in Shakespeare's play The Tempest. Paradise Lost shows an influence on Christianity and Renaissance. Next point is Polonius in Hamlet suggests that one should neither be a lender nor a borrower. Another point is how do I love the poem ends I shall but love thee better after death by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Next point is Lord Byron is considered a national hero in Greece. Another point is the three gallants were going to a wedding in the poem The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by Coleridge. Harold Nicolson described T.S. Eliot as very yellow and glum, perfect manners. Emily Dickinson rarely left home. Another point is Rupert Brooke wrote his poetry during First World War. Another point is Maya Angelou wrote A Brave and Startling Truth in 1996. Using words or letters to imitate sounds is called onomatopoeia. Next point is the study of poetry's meter and form is called prosody, which we say in Hindi Chandra Shastra. Another point is Shakespeare composed much of his plays in iambic pentameter. Did my heart love till now? Forswear its sight, for I never saw a true beauty until this night. Each famous line from Romeo and Juliet by Shakespeare. Auld Lang Syne is a famous poem by Robert Burns. Another point is Arthur Conan Doyle wrote The Hunt of the Baskervilles. Next point is Agatha Christie wrote 10 Little Niggers. Another point is haiku is a Japanese poetic form. Next point is Dylan Thomas under Milkwood is known as a radio play. Another point is a funny poem of 5 lines is called limerick. Next point is W.H. Auden described poetry a game of knowledge. Next point is Bildungsroman and Erziehungsroman, German terms signifying novels of formation or novels of education. Next point is Black Death is the name given to the epidemic of plague that occurred in Chaucer's age. Another point is Oakleigh wrote a famous poem that Gouvernail of Princess mourning the death of Chaucer. William Tyndale's English New Testament is the earliest version of the Bible. Another point is Thomas More's Utopia was first written in Latin in 1516. It was rendered into English in 1551. William Tyndale's English New Testament is the earliest version of the Bible. Friends, here you need to remember one more point, and he was burnt alive for this work, for this translation. Another point is Roister Doister is believed to be the first regular comedy in English in Nicholas Udall. Another point is Spenser described Chaucer as the well of English undefiled. Undefiled means the avoidance of foreign language. Rahel and Astha are the twins in Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things. Tinu and Dunare, the characters in Mrinal Pandey's Daughter's Daughter. In the branded Lakshman Gaikwad retrospects the subhuman condition of Uchalya community. The Sunshine Cat is an outstanding poem by Kamala Das. Bianca or the Young Spanish Maiden is a novel by Toru Dutt. Another point is Rukmini is the protagonist in Nectar in the Sea by Kamala Markandya. The Good Earth is a novel by Pearl S. Buck, and Pearl S. Buck won Nobel Prize in 1938. Mahesh Dattani is the founder of theatre group known as Playpen. Next point is in part second of an essay on criticism by Pope includes a famous couplet, "A little learning is a dangerous thing. Drink deep or taste not the Pierian spring." Another point is an essay on criticism was famously and fiercely attacked by John Dennis, who is mentioned mockingly in the work. Consequently, Dennis also appears in Pope's later satire, The Dunciad. To err is human, to forgive is divine is a famous line appears in Pope's an essay on criticism. Next point is an essay on man is a poem published by Alexander Pope, which was published in 1734. Pope's essay on man and moral epistles were designed to be the parts of a system of ethics which he wanted to express in poetry. Voltaire called Pope's an essay on man the most beautiful, the most useful, the most sublime didactic poem ever written in any language. Another point is Anton Pavlovich Chekhov was a Russian physician, dramaturgy, and author. Chekhov was a doctor by profession. Another point is Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov said, "Medicine is my lawful wife and literature is my mistress." Another point is Anton Chekhov's works are The Seagull, Uncle Vanya, Three Sisters, and The Cherry Orchard. Keats' Endymion has 4,000 lines. Another point is Venus and Adonis, Glaucus and Scylla, Arcturus and Alpheus. These pair of lovers Endymion meets in Keats' Endymion. Wordsworth wrote the famous preface to the Lyrical Ballads. Lyrical Ballads were published in 1798. Next point is the Lyrical Ballads opens with rhyme of the ancient mariner. The Lyrical Ballads closes with lines written above Tintern Abbey. Dorothy Wordsworth was the third person with Coleridge and Wordsworth at Quantico Hills when the Lyrical Ballads were composed. John Keats is known for his Hellenic spirit. Next point is P.B. Shelley wrote, our sweetest songs are those that tell our saddest thoughts. Shelley's Prometheus Unbound is a lyrical drama. H.G. Coleridge wrote this, he prayed well who loved well, both man and bird and beast. Next point is the journal to which Sade contributed regularly was the Quarterly Review. Sir Walter Scott collected Scottish ballads and published them along with his own in Minstrelsy of the Scottish Border. दोस्तों यहाँ एक ऊपर पॉइंट आया है एच.टी. कोलिंस रोट दिस ही प्रेड वेल हु लवथ वेल बोथ मैन एंड दोस्तों काइंडली चेक दिस लाइन काइंडली चेक दिस कोट ये मेमोरी बेस्ड है सो प्लीज चेक दिस नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज Byron was 19 years old when he published Arts of Idleness, a collection of poems in heroic couplets. Next point is when Arts of Idleness was criticized by the Edinburgh Review, Lord Byron related by writing a satire piece. The title of the satire was English Words and Scotch Reviewers. Next point is the first two cantos of Byron's Childe Harold take a reader to Spain, Portugal, and Greece and Albania. Next point is in Byron's Childe Harold, the description of the Battle of Waterloo appears in Canto 3rd. The hero of Childe Harold is the poet himself. Michael, the solitary reaper, to a Highland girl, all these poems depict simple, common folk. Parcha's pilgrimage inspired Coleridge's Kubla Khan. Next point is the vision of judgment is satire on Sade. And the last point is Don Juan has 16 cantos. Friends, if you feel like it was a helpful video, then subscribe this channel and hit the like button and share with your friends. Now, may rest of the day be nice to you. Thank you.